Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a Stitchfix unboxing. Oh yeah, we know the box. We like it. We like it. You guys love unboxings and that's great. So for those of you who don't know what Stitchfix is, I've done several. Please feel free to look at my playlists on unboxings and you'll see what Stitchfix is all about. It is a subscription fashion service, personal stylist, and they send you 5 pieces. They can be accessories, shoes, clothing, undergarments. Yeah, it's for men, kids, women, maternity. So yeah, so I've been doing Stitchfix for years. My stylist Nikki knows me well. She does a really great job of finding things off my Pinterest board and sending them to me, and then I also give her very detailed notes and she listens, so it's great. So I was feeling a little blue and I wasn't going to get a Stitchfix until next month, but I'm like, you know what? I want one now because it's just fun to get stuff. I mean, if you guys like to see what I unbox, I like to unbox it. So not all the pieces are affordable for everybody. I get that. I do have a referral code if you sign up. And I think you place your first, I can't remember if you sign up through me. I know I get the discount, and then I think when someone signs up from you, you get a discount, but I do think you get a discount the first time ever you sign up. And I really hope, I'm figuring out lighting in my room. I've got new lights going, and so there should be more visibility for seeing the clothes, and hopefully things aren't too weird and glaring. So here we go. I see plaid, I see pink. I see pink. Yes, okay. Let's see here. Hi, Rebecca. Happy New Year. I hope this fix brightens your cold winter. Wait. I hope this fix brightens your fix. I think that's a typo. This cold winter with your daughter off to college. Yes, I was like, I need cheering up. I know it can be difficult, but I hope you enjoy the versatile colors and cozy layers in the cold. I think you will love the crisp white Daniel Rainn blouse. Pair the blouse with Edison teal green corduroy skinny. Yep, I got those. Add the navy, very cozy Honeybell hooded cardigan. Do you guys remember my green fuzzy duster cardigan? Oh my God. You guys need to see my December unboxing if you don't. The trendy Kate Spade studs. Oh, I guess if you gush about Kate Spade in the first time, they'll send you more. And a pair of neutral booties. I do have booties and a booty. For a romantic, preppy twist, perfect for taking you into early spring. Oh, honey, that's for months. With the weather still very cold, I think you'll love soft, bold fuchsia Vero Moda machine washable pullover. That must be that sweater. Pair the pullover with your just black blue jeans. I do have those. Kate Spade studs, thick coat, plaid skies. The plaid skies are blue, optional tab sleeve top is perfect for white jeans. Oh, that would be cute. White jeans, flannel top, little booties. Oh, I like that. Oh, I can see that. Okay. I will try to list the items, the names, and so that way if you see something you love, you can tell your stylist, I want this, please put it in my box. Okay. So, and remember, if you order all 5 items, you get a 25% off discount. I swear this feels like you're getting an item for free. Sometimes if I only want to keep 4, I'll keep the 5th one just to get the discount. And it's so weird, but trust me, I've said this, everybody feels the same way. I'm not the only one. I'm going to open the earrings box first. Oh, I love these. So what's funny is I have, pardon my horrible nail polish. I have a pair of these Kate Spade studs in a different color combination. Can I get a focus? There we go. So I have always wanted, these look like confetti. They will go with anything. This is fabulous. I have a pair of emerald green ones. I have also a pair of, they're a dangle. They're like this same type of stone, but they are dangly. Does that make sense? I'm already putting them in my ears, so I guess I'm keeping them. Anyway, that's kind of me. If I put earrings in my ears, I'm not sending them back. Gross. That's funny. I know that you can sterilize earrings so easily, but for some reason, I'm just like, yeah, they're mine. Oh, and those are $38. I'm going to show you each item. I'm going to hold it up and then I will model them for you afterwards. I like how the Stitchfix is like Marie Kondo'd in the box. Lots of room for joyful things. I have not watched Marie Kondo yet on Netflix, but everybody else has for me, so I almost don't need to. Just kidding. This is the Daniel Rainn blouse. This blouse is adorable, but will not be coming out until April. Yeah, I love it, but even, okay, so a blazer, a jacket, something over it, layered, I get it. Like if you want to look nice, you want to wear a blouse, you want to layer it, sure. I'm just kind of one of those people where I'm all about like the Henleys and the camisoles because I just feel cold, but this is beautiful. So this is a size small and it is $68. I can't have enough sweaters. Sweaters that are cozy. Oh boy, sweaters in neutral colors. So navy, it's ribbed, it's hooded, it's long, it has pockets, it's very soft. Honey Bell is the brand. $68. $68 sometimes seems to be the magic number. I cannot wait to see what that looks like. It has kind of a nylon, like a blend feel to it. It's not like a fuzzy, like a wool or a mohair, but it's not quite cotton. Has almost like a little bit of a give, a little soft finish to it. It's nice. Cute. Oh, I hope this is big enough for me. I think it'll fit, but I kind of like things a little boyfriend, kind of baggy. And it's nice that she sends me a size small because that is kind of technically my size, some things, but I still gravitate towards mediums in some things, so we'll see. Skies are blue, Erina, blue Henley, and this is $58. And it's kind of it's a rayon. It has like it doesn't have a pull to it, but it almost has that kind of like textured feel to it. So not quite a cotton, not a flannel, just to give you an idea. It has the round collar with the tab versus, and these tabs on the sleeves versus like a button down, and it's pullover. Cute. And then Vero, Moda, small size, Sadella textured crewneck pullover in fuchsia. This has to fit me. This has to fit me. Would I have liked maybe just a medium? It's so hard to know. I'm sorry, Nikki. It's not fair to you because I did change my size and I put everything in, but I guess maybe I like some things and we'll see. We'll see. Love it. Okay. So it's nice. I don't have any shoes or bottoms or dresses to show you, so we can just do this waist up. But I'll give you a little perspective. How about knees up? Yeah? Okay, I'll be right back trying them on for you. So I'm giving you double duty with cardigan and Henley top. So here's the cardigan. Here's the hood. I don't know if you can tell the way the ribbing looks. And it's just about fingertip length for me. It fits perfect. It's super comfy. And I'm going to show you the little plaid underneath. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. What do you guys think? Perfect casual. I know, right? A close-up of the earrings. I did a little tuck for the blouse just so you can see, kind of zhuzh it up. It's really, really cute and it's comfortable. I think it has such a good little casual feel that can be dressed up. Has like a demureness to it, you know what I mean? Yeah, so it's, and I can show you what it looks like that. So either way, and I think it's really cute. And then these are the jeans I got a couple fixes ago. Did I get them the last fix? I don't remember, but they're Just Black is the brand, and they're skinny, and they are like butter. Hi, love the color, love how it feels. Oh, it's so comfy. I mean, a medium maybe would be good just for folks out there who are similar in stature to me and you're wondering size-wise. I probably, if I was buying this in a store, I'd be like medium. But honestly, having it this length is kind of nice because then it's not bulky, it's not getting in the way, because sometimes I do wear things I think, or my friends tell me, too large. And then do I tuck? I don't know. Seems like the way people are doing it now. It just kind of lengthens the leg, shortens, you know, kind of. But anyway, great, super cute, no matter what. Yeah, has like a little rib texture. You guys, I hope you enjoyed those fix items. I'm going to just live in this now for a while. Oh yeah. So I'm going to link my Stitchfix referral if you want to try it yourself. And also if you want to know any tips on how to get the best fixes, there's tons on Pinterest, and I can link my Pinterest, which I think I did once before, or I forgot. I said I was, and then I forgot to, but I will, I promise. And then you can see what's on my board, and you can pin from that. And yeah, I also have an entire playlist of unboxings and for Stitch Fix and Trunk Club. Is that everything? I hope you've subscribed to my channel, and please do so if you haven't, and thank you if you have, and thank you, Nikki, for a great fix. I really appreciate the cozy items, and they have cheered me up and distracted me from Emma being away at school, which, by the way, she's doing great. She is. So I'm so proud of her. Alrighty, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.